In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a contingency fee matter in Clio Manage. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your main dashboard, and from there, the setup is quick and straightforward if you know where to look. Next, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Matters. This is where you can view, organize, and manage all of the matters in your account. After that, you have two options depending on what you need to do. You can click New Matter if you're creating a brand new matter, or you can open an existing matter if you want to update one that's already in your system. Once you're inside the matter, scroll down until you find the Billing Preference section. This area controls how billing is handled for that specific matter, so it's important to review it carefully before saving your changes. In the Billing Preference section, first make sure that the option labeled "This matter is billable" is checked. If this box is not selected, billing settings for the matter may not apply correctly, so this is an important detail not to overlook. After that, look for the Billing Method field and select Contingency Fee. Choosing this option tells Clio Manage that this matter will use a contingency-based billing structure rather than hourly billing or another fee arrangement. Next, choose the appropriate currency for the matter. Make sure this matches the currency you want to use for billing and reporting, since keeping this consistent can help avoid confusion later. Then move to the Contingency Fee Defaults section. Here, select the fee recipient. This setting identifies who the contingency fee will be assigned to by default, which can help keep your records accurate and organized. After selecting the fee recipient, enter the contingency rate as a percentage. Be sure to input the correct rate based on the fee arrangement for the matter. Taking a moment to double-check this field is a good idea, since the percentage directly affects how the fee is calculated. Once everything has been entered, review the matter details carefully. Confirm that the billing settings, currency, fee recipient, and contingency rate all look correct. When you're ready, click Save if you're updating an existing matter, or Create Matter if you're setting up a new one. And that's it. You've successfully set up a contingency fee matter in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.